Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick hunting blind with just a machete. What are you doing? Yeah, using my wood. Oh, what are you talking about? I mean, not being here. Oh. He just popped up somewhere.
Nice knife.
Yeah. You like my knife? Yeah, really cool. Yeah. My grandpa rolled it. Cool. Oh yeah? Oh, you better run. Else I'm gonna throw this at you. Get it. Go. Now. Sorry about that. Let's keep walking forward. We're gonna figure out a good place where to build our blind. So I'm looking around. I'm gonna put my machete right here, and let's go look around. By the way, I hope that me or whatever that guy was I met over in the other path, I hope he doesn't show up. So let's keep going. So I found this spot like right over up there. There's a clearing and looks like a very good spot. So I just want to let you know I will be using some rope, a little bit of rope, because it'll be a lot easier to make it. So I'll start finding some sticks. Some good sticks. You have to find a lot of sticks, so let's get to work. so it's pretty good. Oof. I'm gonna show you inside a little bit. Over here, you can shoot it. I hope you liked this video. Hope it was helpful. Hope to see you on my next video. Bye. So, just to quickly help you for a little bit, the green stuff was dried asparagus, old asparagus, but you can use a tarp, throw leaves over it, cover it with a tarp and throw leaves over it, and sticks to make it better, but I didn't want to use a tarp, so I used the asparagus stuff. So you can pull weeds out, do whatever you want, but just letting you know what that was.